us to update the package on WhatsApp. Anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. That is the logo of the Hope and All Charity Foundation. Shall we please put our hands together for this wonderful family? Thank you very much.
Do like this, do like this. Thank you very much. In support of the Hope and All Foundation. Thank you very much. We are employing at this point in no particular order.
Yes, that's me.
So
we are here to enjoy ourselves. We are here enjoying ourselves, having fun. Yeah. Look at us here, classic ladies in hall. We are enjoying ourselves here. Today is the Z-Day in Hall City.
Of course.
You tap it.